Hello everyone, welcome back to Destin Learning. Cloud storage is one of the key features of any cloud service provider. Amazon AWS's solution for storage is S3. In this lesson, we're going to look at the features of S3 and some of the use cases it supports. Let's go ahead and get started. Amazon S3 is a widely used AWS service, offering scalable, secure, and durable object storage. It's essential for cloud computing, suitable for data backups and hosting static websites. Amazon S3 is a cloud-based object storage service that allows users to store and retrieve unlimited data from anywhere. It organizes data as objects within buckets, each with metadata and a unique identifier. S3 ensures data availability, security, and high durability. Amazon S3 offers automatic scaling to meet growing storage needs, from a few megabytes to petabytes, without manual intervention. S3 ensures data durability with 99.9999999% durability by replicating data across multiple availability zones. It also offers high availability, ensuring data is accessible when needed. S3 provides a cost-effective storage solution with a pay-as-you-go model. It offers multiple storage classes like S3 Standard, S3 Intelligent Tiering, and S3 Glacier to optimize costs based on data access frequency. S3 offers security features like encryption, access control policies, and versioning. You can restrict access, enforce encryption, and maintain multiple versions for backup and recovery. S3 is globally available across AWS regions, allowing data storage and retrieval from the nearest region to users, ensuring low latency access. To start using S3, you need to create a bucket. Each bucket is unique globally and named according to your specifications. Buckets serve as top-level containers that organize your objects or data files. After creating a bucket, you can upload various objects like files, images, videos, and backups. These objects can range in size from a few kilobytes to several terabytes. S3 allows you to manage access to your data by setting permissions. You can configure permissions at the bucket level, object level, or use predefined policies to control access. Data stored in S3 can be accessed through the AWS Management Console, AWS SDKs, or the S3 API. Whether retrieving a single file or a large dataset, S3 ensures quick and reliable access. S3 Standard is the default storage class for frequently accessed data, offering high durability, availability, and low latency. S3 Intelligent Tiering automatically moves your data between frequent and infrequent access tiers based on changing access patterns, optimizing storage costs without impacting performance. S3 Standard IA is designed for data access less frequently but needs quick retrieval. It offers lower storage costs with slightly higher retrieval costs compared to S3 Standard. S3 One Zone IA is a cost-effective storage option for infrequently accessed data stored in one availability zone. It's ideal for data that can be easily replicated or recreated. S3 Glacier is used for long-term data archiving with very low storage costs. Data retrieval times vary from a few minutes to hours depending on the retrieval option selected. S3 Glacier Deep Archive is the most cost-effective storage class for infrequently accessed data. It is perfect for compliance or long-term archiving, with retrieval times between 12 and 48 hours. S3 provides a secure and scalable solution for storing backups of critical data, ensuring availability during hardware failures or disasters. It offers reliable storage for essential data, protecting against data loss. Organizations can use S3 Glacier and Glacier Deep Archive for cost-effective long-term data storage. These solutions meet compliance requirements and ensure historical data remains accessible. S3 enables users to host static websites directly from their S3 buckets. This method is simple, cost-effective, and eliminates the need to manage a web server. S3 can be integrated with AWS analytics services like Amazon Redshift, AWS Glue, and Amazon Athena to efficiently store and analyze large datasets. This integration provides scalable and cost-effective solutions for big data handling. S3, combined with Amazon CloudFront, enables businesses to distribute content globally with low latency and high speed. CloudFront acts as a CDN, improving content accessibility and performance, leading to efficient content distribution and enhanced user experience. S3 offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for developers and businesses to store and manage data without requiring specialized expertise. S3 offers versatile data storage, accommodating various data types in their original formats, such as images, videos, documents, and backups. It seamlessly integrates with other AWS services, providing comprehensive data management solutions. S3 offers 99.9999999% durability and high availability, ensuring your data is always safe and accessible when needed. S3 offers multiple storage classes to help you optimize costs. You can choose the right storage solution for your needs, whether it's for frequently accessed data or long-term archival storage. Amazon S3 is a versatile cloud storage service that offers scalability, security, and integration with other AWS services. It is suitable for various data storage needs, including backups, archives, web hosting, and big data analytics. S3 provides a reliable and cost-effective solution for managing data in the cloud. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it's giving you a good idea of some of the details of S3 and the storage solutions it supports. If you'd like this video, please click the thumbs up button. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you in another video soon.